Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. An elephant becomes popular after crossing from Benin into Nigeria. An elephant has turned into a celebrity after apparently wandering into a farm in Saki, Oyo State. There were no immediate moves to turn the creature into asun, suya, or spots of pepper soup. In fact, several witnesses were said to have urged the government to come save the elephant. Images shared online showed many farmers and other residents crowding near the scene where the big animal was spotted. Some even got close enough to feel the skin of the new talk of town. Some took selfies with the creature. We don't know the elephant's name or if it has one. The elephant is said to be coming from the Benin Republic. Adesope Habib Olamide, who shared the images on Facebook, said, "We had the visitor came around some miles away from our farm. The visitor was coming from Benin Republic en route Nigeria